Oh, good morning. Oh my god, it is way too early to be filming video. I arrived in New York, straight out of Europe. I am here for work. I have a shoot today, so I am getting ready. I just took a quick shower. I'm going to do a quick skincare routine, kind of show you guys how I prep before a shoot, like what products I really use. The first thing I am going to use is this Dermalogica multi-active toner. I feel, especially after my holiday, my melasma has become really worse because of the sun. Thankfully they can like cover that up really well with makeup, so I don't need to worry about it too much. But yeah, obviously I don't like it a lot. So yeah, a lot of hydration for my skin. I've been flying, I've been in the sun. Then I stole this one from Max, Dr. Barbara Sturm hyaluronic serum. This one is for darker skin tones, obviously because it's for Max, but mine was finished and I did not have time to get one. So the most important thing for my skin before a shoot is honestly hydration. I try to drink so much water and then put the toner on, put the hyaluronic serum, especially because it's really hot in New York as well. Okay, then I'm going to add a little bit of moisturizer. This one is from Dr. Barbara Sturm. This is Face Cream Rich. I'm gonna add a little. Honestly, less is more. Often on set they do another whole skincare routine, but I like to do a good prep in the morning. Give myself a little massage. And then another brand I've been loving and I've actually been incorporating a little bit more into my nighttime routine, which I will show in another video, is this eye cream from Ellie's Skin. Really love this brand. I also run out of a lot of products like the moisturizer and stuff. That's why I can't use it. My vacation was perfectly timed that at the end I literally did not have any products left. But yeah, definitely need that today because I'm going to be tired. And then obviously I am going to add on a lot of sunscreen. I feel this is so important. My shoot is outside today and I just want to make sure to protect my skin, even though it's already like a lot of melasma. I have been obsessed with this one. It is from Summer Fridays. The consistency is freaking amazing. It is so milky, it's so thin. Like often with sunscreens, the consistency is just so thick and it's just not really nice. This is SPF 30, so I'm going to add some on here. Okay, put it on, and then my skin will be all prepped and ready to go. Right, I am going to get dressed and everything, and then yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Come with me. Also forgot to put a little lip mask on before I'm going to head out. They're Minerals, the H's lip masks, so putting that on too. There we go. Max and I flew from Europe, when was it, yesterday? Always with the 6-hour time difference definitely messes you up, so we woke up both at like 5 a.m. this morning. Actually went to the gym and like did some stretching. Max actually still in the gym and I am getting ready. We are here for a modeling job together, which is so much fun. We're shooting a Macy's campaign for jewelry. That's gonna be really amazing. We are on a location today, so we're not in a studio. It's like 1.5 hour drive out of New York, so I have absolutely no idea where we're going. It's always such a surprise. So yeah, I'm packing right now. This job came so unexpectedly because, you know, modeling jobs always confirm like 1 or 2 days before. My whole suitcase is just full of like summery Ibiza vibe type of clothing. So when they were like, okay, you have to be in New York, I'm like, what can I wear? I feel though you can never really go wrong with like a white shirt and stuff. So yeah, so our pickup is at 7 a.m. The coffee shop next door also opens at 7 a.m. so I'm pre-order coffee, pick it up, jump in the car and then go to work. Today Matcha Bay is going to be a model. Oh my god, guys, Mike's got a haircut. What do you think?
I look like a young K-pop star.
No. Vamos, we are ready. Morning.
Very rare day. I'm drinking a coffee in the morning.
Try yours.
We're off the set. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Thank you for inviting your future husband to come join you on set.
Fiance. I keep calling you my boyfriend still.
Yeah, I keep calling you my girlfriend. I'm like, yeah, my girlfriend.
Oh wait, actually talking about the wedding, we need to pick a date right now.
We need to pick a date for the wedding. We
either do a weekday or there's like a 4th of July weekend, but we're trying to figure out for our guests. For us it doesn't really matter, it's more for our guests.
So we're gonna figure this out and we'll update y'all.
Wow.
These are our first looks.
So it's kind of funny because we're shooting jewelry, but we're actually shooting like an engagement series. So I have a silver ring on right now. And this is the engagement in the castle. So it's kind of fun that they picked us, no?
Look at that cute couple.
Nice, how did that go?
How did it go? How was my breath?
It was good.
It's good? Okay.
Alright, we are having some lunch right now. I grabbed a chicken salad with lots of veggies, potatoes. Mike's got the same thing. Eat.
They're getting rid of all the oil on Sanne's face because she's oily.
No, we were just talking about it. I'm dried out.
You're dried out?
This is always very necessary after lunch. Just makeup is everywhere, you're tired, need a little bit. This is the reason why you can never compare yourself with models on a billboard or anything, because we're getting touch-ups every single 10 minutes. A lot of makeup for hours, hair. Beautiful lighting. A lot of work goes in behind the scenes. This guy doesn't need any makeup.
No, I need lots of makeup. Face for radio.
Alright, so we finished the morning and we finished some lunch and we are waiting right now because another couple is shooting. It's crazy because like you just never really know how much waiting or like how busy you're going to be on shoots. It often depends on how many locations you're switching, like different looks, like other models. And obviously today there are some other couples, so everything takes a little longer and we get to break a little bit.
Hi.
It's really fun to be on set again. It's been a while. Also Max and I are not so often in New York anymore.
And we get to be a couple on set, so
yeah, it's been like really easy and really nice.
The only thing is that it's really warm outside today, so
Yeah,
I know that
warm.
sun has been burning up a little bit in the sun.
It's hot. Also it's the first day of my period, so I'm like dying right now.
So just to everyone out there, always have extra tampons in your bag if you're a dude, because you know half the world has this issue. And
I'm
I
just
said
like
that.
low energy right now and I just feel so bloated and I just want to lay down, but you know what? We just smile and anyway, we're gonna wait a little bit and then yeah, I think we're doing one more shot on the beach and I think we will be done for today, which will be really nice. Is it? Morning.
Morning from New York City.
From New York City. We
So pretty.
Thank you. I didn't film an outro yesterday after our shoot because we got home. I went straight to dinner with some girlfriends. Max stayed at home. Introvert. No, you're not an introvert actually, but it's actually mostly Max who's out and about. Anyway,
Right.
We had such a fun shoot day and I hope you guys enjoyed coming to set with us. I am getting ready for a little event right now, which is like a little tennis event slash pickleball. Recently I've been loving paddle and pickleball, so yeah, we are gonna do that. I'm packing up. And this sweater, oh my god, I posted this on my Instagram and I got so many questions of where it's from. It's from a Dutch brand called Mercer and it's really cute. And I'm wearing this little cute Wilson tennis skirt. So yeah. Also, I can't express how excited I am to finally go home. It's been like a month right now. New York was kind of like a surprise trip, but I am gonna go fly tonight, so I'm so excited to be back with Katsu, to be back home, to be back in the routine. So yeah, I will see you very soon in LA.